love animals and live my fantasy of being able to talk to, befriend, and understand them through my art. In my book, Whimsical and Wild, I created a world of equals as I explored feminine spirits interacting with all manner of wild creatures. And in the workshop, I'll be delightfully delving into creating such artwork. You'll be shown and encouraged how to capture your own response to the animal kingdom, as well as whimsical women, and drawing the connections between them, of drawing them together. We'll also be adding color, volume, shading, backgrounds, everything that will be turning your art into a reflection of what you want it to be. The workshop is filled with lessons in drawing and painting, the whimsical girls and their animal friends, and you'll have lifetime access to the workshop to revisit as you need. The beautiful thing about learning online is you can turn up when it is convenient to you, wearing whatever you like. You can be eating, not eating, whatever. Whatever you do, you can work along with me. You can watch all of the lessons first and then see what that conjures up within you and then start creating. I use various ways to draw, and sometimes I like to draw from my imagination. That's usually where I start. And that is what you're seeing on the screen at the moment. Just drawing and seeing what falls out of my magic wands, also known as color pencils. And from there, I might then start to drag in some references, some photographs, some research to work out how do I capture the essence of whatever creature it is that I'm trying to draw. So in this example, I started off with a horse type creature. I wasn't really quite sure what was happening. I just wanted to have an interaction. Then it developed a little bit into a deer type creature, and then I thought, well, I've drawn deers. What about a moose? I would like to draw a moose. And this would be the very first time I've ever drawn a moose. Now, I don't have a photographic memory, so I can go and look at lots of different photographs just on the internet and try and boil down what makes a moose, and then try and bring that into my artwork. And that is the process that I will be showing you, that I'll be teaching you, and how to use those references to bring across, because it's rare that you're going to find the exact pose of an animal or person that's going to be the exact right reference for you. You need to still engage imagination to fully develop your own vision. As part of the workshop, we'll also be looking at binding single pages. I do a lot of these types of drawings just on single pages, especially where I'm having multiple subjects, and I might have to, flesh out the creature and the girl separately and then bring them together in a finished artwork. So we're also going to be looking at some really cool binding methods as well into altered books. The course will be full of all sorts of mixed media techniques, drawing techniques and tips, and just a lot of fun, like all of my online workshops. The reason that I teach is to grow creative confidence in others. I love that feeling of trying to draw whatever I want to. And whether it turns out successful or not is another issue, but it's the process, it's the trying, it's trusting the mess. It's so much fun and so good for you. It's a lovely thing. So I hope you join me in Whimsical and Wild.